You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast, and today's episode is a story, one that captures what it really feels like to start over abroad. Last year, Amanda and David, a couple from Seattle, decided 2026 would be their year to make a change. They'd spent years dreaming about life in Europe, but the how always got in the way. When Amanda was offered a remote position with her company, everything aligned, except the logistics. That's when they found SDC International Shipping. Their relocation coordinator built a step-by-step plan. Full household packing in Seattle, sea freight to Spain, and final delivery in Barcelona. He also helped them navigate customs and Spain's digital nomad visa paperwork. SDC even arranged temporary climate-controlled storage when their apartment renovation ran over schedule. Their shipment left in February, arrived on time in April, right as spring warmed Barcelona's streets. The movers reassembled the furniture, unpacked the boxes, and cleared all packing materials. By sunset, Amanda and David were sitting on their balcony overlooking the city, sipping sangrias among half-unpacked boxes. And a few weeks later, Amanda emailed us. We expected stress. What we got was confidence. SDC didn't just move our things. They moved our dream from idea to reality. For us, that is the heart of what we do. Every relocation is a life story in motion, and we're honored to guide each one with care. Are you ready to write your own relocation story in 2026? Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or give us a call, 877-339-0267, and let SDC turn your dream move into reality.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.